Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on a virtual journey to explore the world of Condor Airlines. Join me as we unravel the steps to effortlessly logging into your Condor Airlines account, unlocking a world of travel possibilities. To begin, let's navigate to the Condor Airlines website. Now, welcome to the homepage of Condor Airlines. You can click on My Condor option to access your account. Now you can easily log in by using your social network, that is Google, Apple and Facebook and many more. Also, you can log in using your email address and password. And here click on Submit button to log in. Now if you want to keep yourself logged in, you can click on that link to save your login info. Also, if you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password to reset your password. And if you are new to Condor Airlines and haven't created an account yet, you can easily click and here Don't Have an Account Yet button and you can create your account with Condor Airlines. Well, thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Well, until next time, happy travels.